Alright, hey YouTube, Shinken004 here, back again with another card opening video. Once again, I got 2 more packs of HS-Undaunted. And yes, the set is finally out. I've got 1 pack that has Rayquaza on it. Oh my god, he's awesome! And Jolteon. Not much this. So, let's start. Opening. There's that pack. And then there's this pack. So, let's see, which one to start? I'll start with Jolteon. Wow, check that out. I've only got one rare card. Alright, so I got Murkrow, Aeron, Rattata, Slowpoke, Combee. Oh, never mind. I got 2 rares. A Rotom, so have him there. Pinsir, Burn Tower, and Raticate. So, let's see, what was my rare out of this pack? Let me turn it over. Slowking Prime. Oh my god. Wow, that was actually a good pull. So I got Rotom and Slowking Prime. So let's try this pack. Hope this one's a bit easier. Okay, so we got Oddish, Murkrow, Slugma, Doduo, Sneasel, Burn Tower, Raticate. So, for my reverse holo, I got... Oh, never mind. Team Rocket's Trickery. So, my reverse holo this time is Houndour. And, for my rare, I got... the bottom half of Rayquaza and Deoxys Legend. Jeez, I'm pulling out these good cards in this set. I had to save it after the pre-release. Man, that's pretty insane. So, just let me get my rares out. There we go. I got Slowking Prime, Rotom, Houndour, and Rayquaza and Deoxys Legend. So, oh my god, this was actually a pretty good pull. You know what? I never usually get good stuff out of packs that usually get like Toys R Us and all that, but this is like a good opening. Wow. Anyways, this is Shinken004 signing off.